guys, welcome back, it's Maria. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a kimono in a few easy steps. A kimono style dressing, it's always stylish and you can use any kind of fabric with it. The one that I use today is a flowy, drapey fabric. The Obi Sash holds the kimono tightly around the waist. I have a separate video showing you how to make an Obi Sash, so if you're interested to make one, just check the link in the description and follow the steps so you can get one. In this video, I will also walk you through on how to make the pattern for the kimono, which is very easy. This is how you create the pattern for the kimono. The width of the back, marked with the letter A, is half of the hip measurement plus 20 centimeters. The length of the kimono is marked with the letter B, and that could be as much as you want it to be. The width of the front, marked with the letter C, is half of the hip measurements plus 10 centimeters. Follow the other measurements from the illustrated pattern. Here I am illustrating how to place the pattern on the fabric. The width of the fabric should be folded in half. This pattern is for 92 cm hip and 96 cm finished length. Front seam the back to the two front pieces at the shoulder seam and then press. Attach the two sleeves with the front seam, placing the center point of the sleeve to the shoulder seam. Then press. Join the side seams of the kimono, stopping at the sleeve, and then join the sleeves, all of these with the front seam. Join the bands together with a 1 cm seam allowance, then press the long band in half, lengthways, wrong side to wrong side. Center the joint in the band at the back of the neck. Pin to the kimono, right side to right side, and then machine in place. Turn the band wrong side to wrong side and then press 0.7 cm seam allowance of the edge of the band to then pin on the seam where the band was attached to the kimono. You can tack it in place to make it easier. Then top stitch with the machine on the front of the garment. Using a pin hem, finish the edge of the kimono and the sleeves. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you build your own kimono. If you made your own kimono with this tutorial, just upload a picture using the hashtag #SewingWithMaria so I can also have a look at it and see the different kind of fabrics that you chose for it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Bye!